What if your next chapter could be spent healing in Thailand, finding community in Vietnam, or rediscovering yourself through slow travel? But where do you even start? How do you stay safe? What about your budget? Your health needs? Most people dream about it, but few actually go. The Slow Path to Wellness reveals why slow travel heals at every age. But here's what makes this different. I don't just share the blueprint, I help you build your journey. As a certified travel planner specializing in Americans 50 plus, I design personalized slow travel experiences that match your wellness goals, your budget, and your dreams. Get the book, discover the possibilities, then let's design your slow path to wellness together. Read the book, and let's plan your journey.